Couple things that I've always focused on when I want to better myself in my career, what I encourage people to do whenever they want to be the best they can be at whatever they're doing. First one is work hard. Nobody can argue with that one. Whenever you work hard, everyone is gonna draft off of you. Everybody is looking to you to be the leader. Whenever you outwork everyone, things just seem to work out. So that's the first one, work hard. Second one, study hard. A lot of times people don't know what to do because they don't study it. They don't take the time to go, hey, what does this mean? What's behind that, right? We're implementing a new CRM system in our company right now, and that's something that I get to focus on, is being a student and studying, setting that example to study, but also for myself and growing and learning some new wrinkles in my brain. So number 2 is study hard. And the last one, be coachable. Whenever you're coachable, you're most open to growing, you're most humble, you're the best you've ever been, in my opinion, when you're coachable. So be willing to take advice from anybody. You can learn something from everybody. So those would be the 3 things: work hard, study hard, and be coachable. You Southwestern people, you've probably heard that come from somewhere before, and I really take that to heart.